Many people think that you are going to be a world-class superstar. You are on the brink of something magical. You are on the brink of something historic. People can see the power and star quality that resides within you. You walk with purpose, with confidence. There's a light that shines around you whenever you are in your zone in regards to your work. People sort you out, or people will be sorting you out for your expertise, for your know-how. You stand out of the crowd. Your talents are unique. Never have your talents been seen before. Some people may compare you to the greats in whatever field that you belong to. People know that they are in the presence of greatness. People know that your talents and skills are world class. Whatever town or city that you belong in, it's almost as if your talent is too big for that area where you reside. This isn't an accident, butterflies. You are on your way to major success. This is the world card. Some of you will gain fame and be known for your skills and your talents. You are a pioneer, or you will be known as a pioneer in whatever field that you are in. You are a living legend. What you are about to achieve is going to be historic. Many people will be following you, copying you, wanting to learn from you. You are a leader. Many people in your past may have laughed at your talents, may have downplayed who you are, only because they feared you. They feared your power. They feared you realizing how amazing you are. In their view, if they kept you asleep, i.e. by trying to throw you off, play psychological games with you, then you will give up on yourself. They can see it, they know it, and everyone else knows that when you are around, people feel that they are in the presence of greatness. You may have doubted yourself. You may have compared yourself to others. You may have felt, if I was so great, then why haven't I made it already? The reason why is everything comes in divine timing. Maybe there were things that you needed to learn, so that when you get into this position of power, you do not crumble. Maybe Spirit wanted you to work on your confidence, to have that self-belief, to believe in yourself, to see the true powerhouse that resides within you, to see yourself the way everyone else sees you. A force to be reckoned with. And some of you are saying, yeah, well, if that's the case, then why were people laughing at me? Why were people not supporting me? Why was I getting blocked? Because it was all part of the plan. It was Spirit's way of testing you to see if you will give up on yourself. You see, these individuals, they came into your life to play a role, to steer you off your path, to block your destiny, and in some cases to destiny swap. But they don't have your essence. They don't have your skill. They don't have your work ethic, your originality, your mindset, your innate talents that you were born with, that you inherited. They don't have your genetics. So they can't be you. And they know that they can't be you. So they tried their best to steer you off your path. So that you would waste what spirit, God, or whoever you believe in blessed you with. You're going to fly. You're going to the top. And for some of you, you will actually fly. This talent or skill that you possess is going to take you to many different places, towns, cities, countries. You're going to bless the world with who you are. You're going to show them what you got. You're hearing Jay-Z's song, show them what you got, little mama. You are an originator, an innovator. You see, there have been many people that have done what you are doing, but they don't do it like you. You will be held as one of the best, if not the best, to ever have done it in whatever field you belong in, because you have a different kind of swag. You are unique. You put your own spin on things. It's otherworldly. It's eccentric. It works. It's original. It's out of the box. No one does it like you. People may have tried to put you in a box, but what makes you stand out is that you have your own style. It's time to walk away from doubt. It's time to walk away from that old chapter of not believing in yourself. You're stepping into a new chapter of love. Falling in love with yourself. Some of you could be falling in love with someone, or someone could be falling in love with you. This is a time whereby you will make connections that are aligned with your values. Someone from the past may want to return, not because you're on the brink of something magical, because there was a shift in energy to make them realize that you're rare. You're not like everyone else that they've encountered. You're fair, you're balanced, you're humble. And this is what makes whoever this person is want to return. They have seen the levels. They have seen that you are not your average, but yet you remain poised and graceful and down to earth. Almost not dismissive, but in a sense, you retain two different sides to you. The side whereby you have those healthy interactions with others, and then the other side, the boss side, the strategic side in regards to going after your goals. And these ain't small goals. These goals they're big goals, which shocks this individual. They've never encountered anyone like you with such skill and precision, hard work, dedication, mastery. And this is intriguing. You're shocking people at work. People are looking at you as the future boss or manager or CEO. You have got what it takes to lead others into victory. The next 9 years is going to be very important to you. And Spirit is saying whatever you put in, that's what you're going to get out. Because we all have free will. So if you know you're working hard right now and you're putting in the work, and it's not going to be easy. I'm not going to sit here and say, guys, it's going to be a walk in the park, No, it's going to be some hard days. Sometimes you're going to feel like you're going to want to give up. But that's Spirit's way and the universe's way of testing you And just when you feel like you want to give up, that's when you are so close to your breakthrough. We have ended a 9-year cycle. There's no going back now. The only way is forward. Yes, there were trials and tribulations, but we never lose. We learn. We learn. And in this next 9-year cycle, you're going to smash it. And every time someone tries to throw a spanner in your works, alchemize that. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. It wasn't to quit. Make your future self proud by doing the work now. The next 9 years is going to be of importance. And some of you have been doing this for 9 years, for some 4 years, for some 10 years. But you are going to make it. Some of you may feel like, I'm not seeing the money. Money will come. But master thyself first, so that when the blessings do come, you're ready. You will connect with your true soul fam, and they may not be in the same part of the world where you reside. The Spirit wants you to remain focused, because you're going towards a new life because of your skills and your talents. And some of you may feel like, but how come no one else in the family is like me? Because, my darling, you're the chosen one.